Hi, it's me, Charlie here, and welcome back to another video. We're in Minecraft today. This is my friend H. You can see H. And hey, hey.
Looks at ground.
Hello. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I forgot. You need to get that.
You forgot to play Bed Wars. Wait, I just need a few more iron. I got it.
Just gonna sit here. Wait, are you gonna protect or are you gonna attack?
I'll do both.
Okay, I'll do both as well.
It doesn't matter what we do. Just have fun playing.
I'll just get the bow and arrow, just in case anyone comes over us.
I need a sword. I really like smacking people with swords. I found out you could have a shield. Look. Hold down right click.
Yeah, I know.
1.16. You could summon a shield and I didn't know.
How dare you?
I have a rubbish mic right now, and it's really rubbish.
I have a great mic. Cost me £6.
You know the gaming headset mics? I got that, but it's rubbish. Because I'm in Discord. I use Discord and stuff like that.
Hashtag not sponsored.
It doesn't work. Discord's not. You'd have to pay for Discord though. You might have to put. There's like a premium thing for Discord. I don't know. If there is, I don't have it. I don't really check Discord that much. I'm in a Minecraft SMP thing. It's kind of rubbish though. They wanted to make like civilized thing where they had government.
What are you doing?
Government's rubbish. The government was rubbish. It was like one king, and there was a guy in a maid outfit. It doesn't make any sense.
I got 2 fireballs.
Oh yeah, but I kept getting killed and my stuff stolen, and I got told no grieving, and then my house got grieved. Griefed. Is it grieved or griefed? I think it's grief. Yeah, grief. Yeah, it's grief. Yeah, it's grief. I may just be an idiot. Don't worry about it.
What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. I'm building. Don't worry.
Oh no.
What's this? What is unnapping?
Oh no. Oh no. Like we've barely got any protection. Maybe you should get some wool. Diamonds.
Don't worry.
Just gonna sit here. Wait for one.
I'm crouching because speedrunning's hard.
Get
I
that.
literally only got Hypixel and played Bed Wars today. I had the Hypixel. I played on it before, but I had my PC restore. I had a PC restore. Should I just jump down and build back up, shall I? Or should I? Wait, that's the diamond thing? Oh wow. I could go after the emerald thing as well.
Wait, white? Are we white? Yeah, we are white.
Wait, what? How did you only just realize that? My voice is croaking and it makes me sad.
Oh my
being
god.
Shot at, I think.
No, that's me.
I'm being bullied. Run away.
Wait, what the?
Should I block off that thing to make them angry?
That's all my arrows gone. Oh no.
Let me just break down that thing. Oop. I fell.
That's a big oof.
It won't let me jump. It won't let me jump. It won't let me jump. It wouldn't let me jump. It wouldn't let me jump. It wouldn't let me jump.
3 kids.
It wouldn't let me jump.
You got killed by Rekid.
Wait, was it Rekid? One sec. It wouldn't let me jump. I tried jumping and placing and it wouldn't let me. It just stuck me in place and it wouldn't let me move. It says I gained coins, but then I didn't gain coins.
Huh?
What does mean?
I don't know.
I gave it a little hat. It's a little hat. It's called Little Hat.
Buy some more hours. I'm gonna just collect my iron. 120. I'm gonna buy a dream pet.
Yeah, that's what I had. It's so good. It's so useful. It is so useful. It is so useful. I'm gonna keep repeating things because I like repeating things.
Dream Defender.
Could do that. Wait, do you think I should go take diamonds from their diamond thing?
If you want.
Even though it's not theirs. Don't worry about it. I'll get it.
Like, when do I use it? It's only... Wait, do I use it now?
You just place it down. And it protects. Stays and protects. Except it's easily shot down.
Like, it only lasts for 4 minutes.
Wait, does it? I'm stuck again. I'm stuck again.
Oh,
the
no.
game's glitching. The game's glitching. The game's glitching. The game's glitching.
That's sad.
That's rubbish. It won't let me build back up. I can't. It's trapped me. And it's like I built up. And it wouldn't let me jump. It's not letting me jump. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. I hate this map. It's rubbish. Whoever made this map is rubbish. Don't question.
It's not rubbish. He's just saying it's rubbish because he's trash at it. Just saying.
It's glitched though. It's glitched. It's glitched. No, come with me. I will show you it's glitched. I'll show you. I will show you it's glitched. I don't have 40 iron. I think I should put stuff in these chests. They seem useful in some way, because I don't know how. I bought armor. Don't worry. I'm gonna kill this kid with a wooden sword. Don't worry. It's science.
That's all. I have no iron. Just give me one. Let's go.
Right, I got it. I got 2 pieces of iron. I'm the best.
When people are trying to get us, then that's when I'm gonna start using my dream pet. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know this was here, up here.
What is it?
Where you just went. So you go up here.
I built it.
That is so cool.
It let me place down my blocks for once. Go, I got a diamond. I got 1 diamond. I'm very proud of myself. I got 1 diamond. It took me ages for to figure out the map's broken and how to stop getting the map broken. But you can, if you place down a block at a certain height, and there's one thing, you can't get back up, and it's annoying. I would like to buy, with my 7 gold, I have 1 diamond. Let me quickly heal. It's got heals now. Bases got heals. I'll go kill them since I'm the best at Minecraft. I am better than Dream. By science of Dream and Dream. Aim for the top. Aim for the platform.
I'm aiming.
They're coming this way. They're coming this way.
Don't worry.
Build up. Don't worry, they won't be able to get in. They won't be able to get in. I fixed that problem. Don't worry. I fixed it. They're gonna just build again. You have another one. Wait there. I got another one. I got one.
Hurry.
Boom! I won since I'm the best at Minecraft. Don't worry. That's totally me.
Oh no.
I'm blue. Don't worry. We're blue team fella. Don't worry. We're so good at the game.
We're not even. The blue team's not there.
Oh, wait. It's not up. In this colour reminds me of like this.
Okay,
It's
so
not
that's
not
the.
fun.
I didn't even use the dream pet. I'm sad now. So,
Oh god, play again.
so that will end it here for the video. Hope you like it,
Oh,
and
that's a tiny
goodbye.
That's
Hold
a
on.
tiny video.
Having some technical difficulties. Bye.